8 o'clock na. Ha?
To 18.
Hi!
Hello.
Ha?
Anong sila?
33.
Yes.
Yay! Ako nga dun. Tayo pa yung late. I'm happy.
Ibila yan sa
Man ng gate natin. 1:05. Oo, nauntayin pala. Pagod na ako, Bing. Saan? Ayoko, gagi. Pati ka pa magpasalamin bago ka mag-board. Pasti.
Wala siguro ako.
Ah, wala. Ano lang.
Shade.
Wala ano.
Lagyan natin. Oh, nagsama-sama tayo.
Ano yan?
Okay. Yan na sa seat.
Hi!
Yan na siya.
Bakit mo yun? Parang... Fresh ka nga naman talaga.
Ay, bago tumayo, para kunin ang iyong mga
Bag number. Hi, we're here in Vietnam na. Yung kasama namin hindi na kaya. Walaan niyo kung sino.
There's mom.
And there's mom taking care of our car. Hi! Ano na daw?
Feeling ko binangkan. About na tayo. Hi.
Are you gonna sleep na?
I'm looking for breakfast place.
Magugutom ka lang. Tinigilan ko.
Doon yun lahat ng reco nila.
Gusto ko nga try yung egg.
Egg coffee, no? Parang masarap nga.
That's right.
Pero tingnan ko kung gaano kalapit. Magugutom na tayo.
Kaya nga, ayoko tignan. Say hi to my vlog.
Hi, vlog!
Nakablo kaming lahat.
May pageant.
Ha?
A-attend ng pageant.
Yeah. Naka-prep na kami, konti. This is me. Always maganda. Okay. And here is baby. And Karen.
Pero
And
highlights na.
like ang maganda, hindi na kailangan magayos. Sana all. Uy, ang gaganda na
Ko talaga.
Parang oily na kaagad ako. Pwede na yun. Tatamad na ako.
Maganda. Maganda talaga.
Ay, ang ganda ng ilaw. Okay. Airbnb tour. So, this is our sala. So, we have, hindi ko alam yan. Last one. Ito yung kitchen namin. And then, this is our room. Diba? So, dito sa room, meron din syempre walk-in kineme. Tapos meron dito yung CR namin. Magulo, pwede na yun. Kitchen. Kaalis na kami. Dito ka. Yung first floor nila dito, second floor. Para saan kaya to?
Ano yun? Mezzanine.
Mezzanine yan. Wala. Hello, babe. Hi, car. Hi.
Hi, vlog!
Hi, vlog.
Hi, vlog!
Upload ka to. Diba? Pulas na ako.
May araw lang po sa baba.
Ay.
Sarap mo na lang. Sa pintuan.
Photo.
One egg matcha cold. Okay.
Can I taste your...
Can I taste it?
Yeah.
Cold also.
Here na.
Egg matcha. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. So I ordered egg matcha. Tapos sila, what's yours, Karen?
Peach tea.
Oh, how about you?
Bakit ka nag-coffee?
Kasi feeling ko dun sa tour, mamaya puro kape yung papatay.
Okay. Second floor pa sila. Wow, looks yummy, baby. Ang ganda ng egg. Ay. Gusto ko yung ganyang egg, yung malasado.
Yung apartment pa.
Ito ba tayo?
Ito na matcha.
Uy. I'm gonna take a
Is it matcha-y? Matcha-y?
Not so much. We're back here in our Airbnb.
20,000.
Ay, ang cute nung mas maliit din ang value. Maliit din yung papel. Cute.
Ang punta si Ria!
So, ito yung labas ng Airbnb namin. Dito sa Vietnam. Parang lahat sila naka-scooter. Wala masyadong car. Hindi katulad sa Philippines. Tapos yung mga guard, parang chill lang nila. Oh, tinitignan nila ako, nag-video ako, nakakainis. Pasok na nga ako.
Ba't kaya may ganyan? Di bumababang naka...
Baka mag-i-slide sila.
Bike?
Ah!
Oh, Isis! Tilt, paano? Sub-sub yung pagtayo kami na...
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
So today we have the support with forever.
What?
Are there pickpockets here?
No, actually.
Hi! Okay, sa po.
There's some
Ano daw?
I'm Hannah too.
Ha? Totoo nga?
Hannah.
So yung name nila dito, parang... Nakalimutan ko yung name. So yung sa akin, Amy. Kasi likes. Chris like, ha?
Okay, so the first dish we have today is the beef noodle soup. Have you ever tried pho?
Not yet.
Not yet. Okay, so pho is very famous in Vietnam. But today, we don't let you try the famous dish, we let you try the local one.
May version po kayo.
Oh, hi, Bagyo! If you like spicy, we have
Oh, I like that.
What is this for?
Ball motor talaga siya. So may ganito to. So, pinataas nila yung motor nila.
Itong overpass natin may ganito.
Ay? Hindi lahat.
Hindi ka nakasi.
Saka nasa gilid. Hindi nasa gitna.
We're going somewhere I know. I don't.
Oh. Ingat ka, Abby.
Yes.
We are in District 3, one of the oldest district in the city. 1 and 3 are two oldest districts. And everything in District 1 and 3 are expensive. Okay, so you see, one apartment we have 4 floors.
One
Ground
apartment.
floor, first floor, second and top floor.
Yeah.
Can you guess which one is the more expensive?
Fourth floor.
The one at the top.
The top floor.
Yeah.
Because of the view.
Oh, the view.
Oh, so
The
first
view
floor.
here is nothing.
It's
If you live in the top floor, too hot, very hot, and you have to go up and down 3 to 4 times a day because the apartment has no elevator.
Oh, okay.
Pagkatapos natin kumain, natapagtag tayo.
May space pa sa bago.
So 6:30 p.m. we turn on the light and it looks like 1,000 stars. So we want 1,000-star hotel for those people. So the next time you come back to Vietnam, I recommend you visit Hanoi, our capital, and Da Nang City, very famous in the middle of Vietnam, because Ho Chi Minh City, Hanoi, and Da Nang are very different.
How about Sapa?
Sapa is good also, but you should.
Ay, dito na sila. Ay, dito tayo nang galing. Oo nga. Okay, we're done.
Still studying? Also English.
Red?
Banya.
Oh, one of the famous dish after pho is baguette. So the baguettes come from French when they control us, but the French one is cut off. We cannot finish.
Cheers!
This one is
Chili sauce.
chili sauce. Natutuwa
Ang
tayo
tipid
sa-
niya mag-picture. Dalawa ko. Pero it's nice naman.
Hmm.
Maganda. Oo.
Galing talaga natin umouti, no? Color blue. Okay, taste test. Galing. How was it?
Kalasa din na kanina.
Yung lasa ni Sid, same.
Sid! Simula kaninang magkakalasa sila.
Hindi yung cake yan, nandito din. Yan ang sinasabi nilang parking lot. Oh, haggard na si ano. Selfie. Ito din na kailangan ng makeup. Bakit na? Pino yung tsura ko, mukha akong mapagsisi.
How's holiday?
Ito naman hindi na uulas yung mukha. Andun pa rin.
His balance. And then we have the calamasiti, passion fruit, and coffee.
What's the best?
One of the best, of course, is sugarcane.
Thank you so much. Mo, hai, ba, yo. Yay! Ay, may yay na naman. Mmm! Ang sarap. It's yummy. Ang sarap. Invasion of aesthetics. Ayan. Ayan na po ang mga aesthetic. Taking the picture of... Ang dami-naming pagkain. Kasya pa sa tiyan mo. Tapos flowers.
Dito tayo
Walas
kanina,
girl.
pero ano.
Thank you, kuya.
Peanut.
It's called balut also here.
Here we call upside down egg. We believe that when we got bad luck, we have to eat odd number of balut. Bad luck, you eat one balut, you change to good luck.
Parang may ganun na din sa akin.
And here we have the grilled scallop.
Wag mo lang. May minay. So pang 1,000 na namin ito na stop for food. We're gonna eat balut. Yeah, we're gonna eat again. We're gonna eat balut with tamarind sauce. Kailangan natin yung yolk, yung white sa kanya. Sana hindi siya nakahalo. Minsan kasi yung sisiw kumahalo sa yolk eh. Masarap yung yolk. Now let's try this. It's very authentic. Ayan ang mga aesthetic. Nagpipicture na ng aesthetic. Okay. Okay, we're going to eat. Who's me?
We're gonna eat now. Let's eat.
Been to California, never been to LA, so I'll stay home and write these songs, pretend I'll make it someday. My friends are getting married, they're all settling down, so I lay here watch the ceiling fan.